Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything on your ASUS laptop. So once you're on your ASUS laptop, just simply go ahead and right click on the Windows icon and click on Settings. Now, once you're in Settings, on the left hand side, click on System, and you want to scroll down and look for the option that says Recovery. Click on that. Now you want to go ahead and look for Reset this PC, and you want to click on the Reset button. Now you will have two options here. You want to choose the option that says remove everything because you're simply going to delete everything from the PC. So it's going to remove all your personal files, all the apps and settings. Basically, your computer would be like when you just get it from the store, right? So it will delete everything and your computer will be like it's brand new. So go ahead and select remove everything. Now from here, you will see that it's going to get ready. And from here, it's going to give you two options how we can reinstall Windows. That could be cloud download or it can be a local reinstallation. It depends whichever one you choose. So for example, I'm going to choose cloud download, right? So I'm going to select this option and here it's going to say, okay, remove all apps and files. Do not clean the drive and download and reinstall Windows. Then go ahead and click on next. Here it's going to get things ready, and once it's ready, it will move to the stage where it's going to allow you to reinstall Windows. So let's just give it a moment. All right, so now that it's ready, as you can see right now, it says reset will remove all the personal files and user accounts on this PC. It's going to remove any changes made to settings. It's going to remove all apps and programs, and it's going to download and reinstall Windows. And so all you have to do now is simply click on reset button right here and let the process start. And that's it.